We will investigate that incident in Dagoretti and get to the bottom of the matter. We are concerned, and I am the first one to admit here as the minister, there is no reason to actually lie or even hide about this. We have had challenges of various kinds across the countries, not only in the police service, mental health challenges, social pressures and problems. I mean, cases of homicides that we are dealing with out there, not even within the police service, are huge. There are some counties in Kenya, for example, I don't want to name them so that I create stigmatization, for certain regions of the country. There are counties in the country where we have, seen a spike in some of these cases recently. We have been having meetings with faith-based organizations and leaders, especially the clergy, asking them, let us now work together. This is not going to be a matter of the police or a matter of the provincial administration or a matter of, it is going to take all of us to deal with this issue.